Air India Flight 171 took off without a single problem until both engines lost fuel one after the other. Was it a mechanical failure or something far more mysterious? The truth will shock you.
Welcome once again to the Secret Spectrum TV. Flight AI-171's takeoff was flawless. Engines were running perfectly, fuel levels were normal, and everything seemed routine. Then, within seconds, both fuel switches suddenly turned off, one after the other, just a second apart. The investigation revealed this timing looked like normal human action. The pilots quickly turned the switches back on, but it was already too late. Engine 1 had a 10-second fuel cutoff, and Engine 2 14 seconds. Both engines began producing thrust again, but the plane crashed before recovery. Investigators tested the fuel. It was perfect. Every system was functioning normally. So why did the fuel switches turn off? Could it have been accidental? The FAA had warned years ago about faulty fuel switch locks in some Boeing 737s. Air India had skipped the advisory inspection, so a malfunction was possible. Some suggested pilot suicide, as seen in past incidents. Germanwings 9252, the pilot deliberately crashed the plane into the Alps. LAM Mozambique 470, autopilot set to 0 feet intentionally. Silk Air 185, cockpit and flight recorders manually turned off before the crash. But AI-171 doesn't fit this pattern. The pilots turned the switches back on, sent a distress signal, and the plane's nose briefly rose before the crash. They clearly hoped the engines would recover. The mystery remains: accidental failure or a tragic series of coincidences? Whatever the case, Air India Flight 171 reminds us how fragile aviation can be, even when everything seems perfect. What do you think caused this crash?